Dongguan Huiyan Electronics Technology Company Limited, established in 2018, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of wireless earphone, car charger. We are located in Changping, Dongguan, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, we will do the labor product training every month. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Asia, South Asia, Europe, etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders and small order for hot selling item with nice package in stock. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. It committed to develop and produce precise electronic spare parts and adhered to prefer products, high effectively reliable solutions. Production area is 2,000 square meter. Huiyan to professional innovation, normalization, safety, lean as the values, to enjoy the taste of life as the vision, to imply the people-oriented concept, to provide customers with the best quality service and after-sales experience. Innovative development of ID design to provide customers with the most eye-catching products. In the future, we will abide by the spirit of customer-oriented innovation and development to serve more customers.